Foundation leveling versus foundation repair. What's the difference? These two terms have been utilized interchangeably for years, and in theory, both of them deal with similar problems like foundation settlement and sloping floors. Now, the difference is that foundation leveling focuses on making sure that your home is level, while foundation repair focuses on making sure that the structural integrity of the home is restored. Foundation leveling can sound more appealing and more cost-effective, but the solution may not be as long-term. Technically, you can level a foundation by putting blocks and a bottle jack under your home and just start cranking. But here's the problem. The reason why the foundation is settling in the first place is usually because the soil under the home is unstable. If you continue to put more weight on that soil, it will just keep sinking. Now, foundation repair takes this into consideration and looks to restore the foundation by drilling fully galvanized pipes past those unstable soils and into load-bearing strata. This will allow your home to rest on competent soil and repair its structural integrity. Now, some contractors may use the terms foundation repair and leveling interchangeably. And the reality is that in the process of repairing the foundation, sometimes we can level it as well. But leveling a home is not always beneficial. Sometimes lifting too much on one side of a home can crack the foundation, crack the drywall, damage kitchen cabinets and other areas of the home. So beware of people promising to level your home. If they don't know what they're doing, they can actually do more damage. So if you see cracks around your walls or unlevel floors, we recommend contacting a Groundworks professional to come and take a look. Click below for more information and to schedule a free inspection.